the new video of Motor Vehicle Act 1988. So keep enjoying. In this act, may be called the Motor Vehicle Act 1988. It extends to the whole of India. It shall come into force on such date as the central government may by notification in the official gazette appoint, and different date may be appointed for different states, and any reference in this act to the commitment of this act shall in relation to state be constituted as a reference to the coming in the force of act in that state. Is this have a definition in this act? There is a many in definition, so I will tell you. In this act, unless the context otherwise requires. Number one, area. Area in relation to any provision of this act means such area as the state government may, having regard to the requirement of that provision, specify by notification in the official gazette. Okay. Area is the more important thing to take a liability in the Motor Vehicle Act 1988. Okay. Second, articulated vehicle. Articulated vehicle means a motor vehicle to which a semi trailer is attached. मतलब ट्रेलर और उसके पीछे एक सेमी ट्रेलर अटैच करते हैं, जैसे ट्रैक्टर होता है, ट्रैक्टर के पीछे बोगी बांध देते हैं. थर्ड, एक्सल वेट. Axle weight means in relation to an axle of a vehicle, the total weight transmitted by several wheels attached to that axle to the surface on which the wheel rests. उसके अंदर जो होता है बिल्कुल मोटर नहीं होती, दो पीछे टायर होते हैं, बस उसको अपनी कार से किसी चीज़ से जोड़ दो और वो चलते जस्ट लाइक अ बुगी. Fourth, certification of registration means the certificate issued by a component authority to the effect that a motor vehicle has been registered in accordance with the provision of chapter number 4 of the Provision Act. Fifth, conductor. Conductor in relation to a stage carriage means a person engaged in collecting fares from passenger, regulating their entrance into or exit from the stage carriage, and performing such other function as may be prescribed.